Hello! Welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to talk about articles a, an, and the. Let's get started. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. Now, in the English language, there are two types of articles. One is indefinite, a or an, and the other is definite, the. Let's have a look at the example over here. A nurse. The hospital I'm working in is huge. Now the article a defines the noun nurse, which is unspecific. And the article the defines the noun hospital, which is specific. The indefinite article takes two forms, a or an. Now use the indefinite article a when it precedes a word that begins with a consonant, and use the indefinite article an when it precedes a word that begins with a vowel. Let's have a look at the following examples. A table, an umbrella, a university, an honest person. Note that the indefinite article a indicates that a noun refers to a general idea rather than a particular thing. Have a look at the following sentence. What does a fox say? The article a defines the noun fox, which is general. And we use an or a when the listener does not know which person or thing we are talking about. Have a look at the following example. Helen's brother works in a factory. I don't know which factory exactly. A defines the noun factory. The factory is unknown. And if we refer to something for the first time, it will be new information for the listener. And so we use a or an. And when referring to the same thing again, make sure to use the because now the listener knows what we are talking about. Have a look at the following sentence. I bought a new computer. It's really great. The computer is much better than the previous one. New computer, the computer. Note that the definite article is the word the, and it limits the meaning of a noun to one particular thing. We use the when it is clear which thing or person we are talking about. Let's have a look at the sentence below. The cake is in the fridge. I know that Kate made it. The listener knows where the cake is and who made it. So we use the article the. Note that we also use the definite article the with a, nationalities and other groups. For example, the French, the Italian, the old, the poor. B with time. For example, in the past, in the future, but at present. C with superlatives. For example, you are the first one. D musical instruments. I played the piano as a kid. E with countries which are a group or plural. For example, the US, the UK, the United Arab Emirates, the Netherlands. F. Names of ships. We sailed on the Claudia. G. Oceans. The Pacific, the Atlantic. H. Rivers. The Amazon, the Nile. Note that we use zero article with plural and uncountable nouns when we are generally talking about something. Have a look at the examples below. Dogs are not allowed in that shop. In this sentence, we are talking about dogs in general. And in this sentence, the dogs next door were barking at night. We are talking about the particular dogs, the dogs next door.